Just this morning, the Labor Department is out with jaw-dropping new numbers.
Coronavirus pandemic could drive up U.S. unemployment to 20%.
This is definitely historic what we're seeing.
Look, I don't have to tell you that the unemployment picture is ugly. Close to 17 million people are now out of work, and that's a number that's more massive, that's larger than the almost 15 million who were jobless when unemployment peaked in the Great Recession of 2008. And when the new labor report comes out next month on May 8th, the job picture will most probably be far uglier. So with so many people out of work, are you wasting your time? Are you wasting your time looking for a new job? Well, I'm going to help you answer that question. And that, my friends, that's up next right here on Over 50 TV. Before I help you answer the question, are you wasting your time looking for a new job during the coronavirus pandemic, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to Over 50 TV. To do that, all you've got to do is hit that little red button. It's underneath the screen. There's also a little bell. If you hit that little bell, you'll get our latest updates, and they'll be delivered right to your inbox. And there is a thumbs up button. Hit the thumbs up button because that'll let me know that you're enjoying watching our videos. So without further ado, let's help you answer the question. Are you wasting your time looking for a new job during the coronavirus pandemic? So the question is, are you wasting your time looking for a new job during the coronavirus pandemic? Well, the answer certainly depends on the type of job that you're looking for. If you want a job that is considered essential, then the answer is no. You're probably not wasting your time. So by all means, keep looking because there seem to be plenty of those type of jobs available. But if you're looking for a job that's considered non-essential, my view is finding one of those jobs will be difficult and definitely time-consuming. And I'm going to give you two reasons. First, as of this video, many businesses are still on a mandatory shutdown. Their focus isn't on hiring, it's pretty much on surviving. Second, most businesses are wary of hiring because of the huge uncertainty in the marketplace. And that uncertainty is expected to last at least through the second half of this year when the impact of the coronavirus pandemic is expected to fade. And that's according to the International Monetary Fund. But even then, most economists, they're unsure what the economic landscape is going to look like when we eventually emerge from the lockdown. So what does all this mean? Well, based on current market assumptions, I don't think meaningful hiring will begin happening until the fourth quarter of this year or maybe even early 2021. But even then, we think most companies are going to be very cautious and they're likely going to adopt a progressive hiring strategy that really just sees them stagger hiring. I also don't expect companies to continue to operate in a normal way. They're going to streamline their business, basically taking a chainsaw to expenses, and unfortunately, that also means cutting payroll. We also expect businesses to embrace outsourcing as never before as they seek to run a lean and flexible operation. Now, that doesn't mean there isn't plenty of jobs available right now. A few sectors we know are seeing a huge spike in demand, and as a result, a number of companies are hiring en masse. Employment categories that are currently seeing a surge in hiring, and they include, and it's no surprise, they include grocery stores and food delivery services, package delivery drivers, freight trucking, cleaning services, call centers, most definitely e-commerce, warehouse, and logistics, nursing homes, manufacturers of popular shelf-stable food products, pharmacies, and security services. So if you've got the luxury of being able to wait out the current crisis, you've got a job, you don't need to get a new job or find a new job right now, I will still tell you, you'll be waiting to next year to find a job that matches your skill set and your income requirements. But if you need income now, your job hunt most probably won't be in vain because it seems that there are still plenty of essential jobs that are waiting for you. So the news isn't all bad. There are jobs available if you are looking for a job now, and if you are a person who's looking for an essential job. Certainly there are lots of job opportunities. That's all I've got for you today, everybody. I hope you have a great day. As I always ask, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. There's also a little bell. If you hit that little bell, you'll get our latest updates, and they'll be delivered right to your inbox. There's also a thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button, because that'll let me know that you are enjoying our video. As I always say, have a great day, everybody.